So this euro dollar analysis for Monday, the 7th of May. Now, let's just have a look at them prices and where prices may likely go. So we did see price come down towards this 1910. Did have a bullish bounce up towards the 1961, and we do appear to be failing at the moment. So we could see a reversal back down towards that 1910 for a retest. We could potentially have a double bottom in around at 1910, have a break of the 1961. If we do break and hold in the 1961, we're then looking for price progress towards that 2030 level, and beyond 2030, the very next level of importance is 2092, while bearing in mind the 200 period moving average sitting in around at 2050 may come into focus. If, however, we do see a bit of a breakdown in prices here from the 1910 level, the very next level that we are looking at to the downside will be a move down towards that 1862 successful break, from which we're then looking for a move down towards that 1830, which is a very strong level here marked out in red. Now, those are pretty much levels that we are looking at. If we have a quick look here at the higher time frames, we'll start with the monthly chart. And as we can see here on this monthly chart, we are starting to see a bit of a breakdown here in the euro dollar. We've had prices come up towards that 125, likely a psychological level, also coupled with the 200 period moving average here on the monthly chart. And from there, we have not been able to break and hold above the 125 level. Instead, what we're seeing is a bit of a breakdown now. So here on the monthly chart, the very next level, which is major swing here on the monthly chart, will be moved down towards that 116. It would be quite a deep retracement, but we are about 300 or so pips away from there. But a move down towards that 116, that's the very next major level that we are looking at, where we did last have a pullback here on the monthly chart. Now, let's just have a look at the weekly chart here on the euro dollar. And on this euro dollar, we were going into this bit of a price contraction squeeze here. I did think we would have a bullish play out of this bull flag, but what instead we did see was a breakdown. We did not have the bullish breakout to the upside of the bull flag. What we're seeing is a breakdown. So we've come in towards this area here where we've got previous highs in around the 19s. And again, if we did break down from these 19s, the very next level swing here in the market is in around at 116 level on the euro dollar. And on the daily chart, so if we have a look here on the daily chart, we can see here we've broken out of the trading range that we were in. Lower end of the trading range is there, upper end of the trading range around at 125. We have seen a breakout. We've not had a retracement of note as of yet. And so if we do, we've mentioned levels that we are looking at to the downside, but here on the daily chart we can see can better see the scaling of the move that we required for a move down towards that 116. So we require quite a bit of momentum to get all the way down there. So we might see a few retracements before that, but overall we are seeing that breakdown in prices here on the euro dollar. And with that said, that wraps up euro dollar analysis. Thanks for watching.